Welcome everyone to another video, and today this is part 3 of our video. Sorry for the little noise back there, sorry. But let's start off with part 3. If today we're going to be making the costumes for our character. I already have the left, and the right, and the up, and the down. So now, first things first, we're going to have to go ahead and to make this actually work, we're going to have to delete the broadcast beat and broadcast start game. Because I'm actually going to make a blank sprite and call this broadcaster. So this is the one that's going to be broadcasting those messages instead of our player. So we're going to have to broadcast we're gonna have to broadcast start game. We're gonna have to broadcast beat. We're gonna have to broadcast glide. We're also gonna have to broadcast glide, and then we're gonna have to set our game state to play. Sorry for the little fan noise. I just put it on. Don't worry. And also we're gonna have to go back to our player and delete the game state. Alright. So now it's time to just get into the code. So I'm just gonna do this very quick because I don't want the video to be that long, so it could bore you. I'm gonna click when up arrow clicked. We're gonna have to. The reason I said I deleted those and put them in a broadcaster is because when they're switching costumes, we're gonna have a stop everything. So it's gonna stop everything. So we're gonna stop other scripts, and I'm gonna change this down here. And we want to switch costume to down 1. Down 1. So right now it's not finished, but if we put the down arrow, our character switches to the down. But we also wanted to wait 0.075 seconds and switch costume down to. I'm also gonna try to test out something if I can make it go 2 frames. I'm gonna make this repeat. I'm gonna test out something. You should not do this until it works. So we're just gonna go ahead and test out something. We're gonna repeat until not key up arrow press. No, wait, down arrow. Don't test this out yet. I was just trying it out. Switch costume to down 1, and then wait 0.5 seconds, and then we want to broadcast idle. So I'm going to look for a broadcast idle, and I'm not sure if this is work. If it doesn't, I'll just do it normally. So when we click this, as you can see, when we hold down the note, we get 2 frames for our character. See? So that's the key. So we're gonna do, and this code's gonna be very similar. So I'm just gonna do the code down. Alright, so we're just gonna change to up arrow. Alright, duplicate it and change it to up arrow, not idle 4. Up arrow, up 1, up 2, up 1. Key up arrow press, like that. Also, don't forget to subscribe because we're on our way. I'm gonna be making more videos like this. So and also the way I got these, if you don't know how I got these, I went and searched up an extension called Scratch add-ons, and then it gave me some stuff I can do. So that's basically how I got this puzzle working. So what we're doing so far is making our costume. So we made our character have 2 frames. So if we hold down the up arrow, it does the pose. So as you can see, if we hold it down, it keeps doing the pose no matter what. I'm also gonna go ahead and grab a weight. I'm also gonna grab a wait 0.075 seconds and put it in. I'm also gonna duplicate it. Let's see. So there you go. So now we got 2 frames. So now I'm just gonna do the rest for the other arrows, and then we're gonna go look at other stuff. So right arrow time, right arrow 1, right 2, right 1, right arrow, and the same for the left. So left key, we're gonna do left 1, left 2, left 1, digital lock key, left arrow press. Then we're gonna go. Alright, I don't know why I got these, but I'm gonna clean up the blocks, and then we're gonna look at all the code before we test out the game. So when green flag, click set rotation style left, right, and all. We got the movement, and we got the arrow, and we still got all. And I also got something that displays the code. So if I start the game and look at the arrow, it displays what's happening. So now it's time to test our game out. So when I click the green flag, I made it to a thumbnail box, which I'll show you how to do later. And our character, when we click the left key, he does the pose, and if you hold it down, it keeps doing the pose with 2 frames. And same for the left. Oh, and also, our character is moving a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. I'm gonna go inside the code and make sure every time he is in the middle. So he doesn't move. Same for right, he's not in the middle, so I'm gonna move him in the middle. That's the key. We gotta move him in the middle so it looks like he's not just moving around, because that kind of makes the game look kind of bad. Same for the up. We gotta make sure it is in the middle. And we also gotta move these back. I'll move back these. Alright. And the up, same for it. It has to be in the middle. And the down has to be in the middle. So now it looks just like how it's supposed to. Anyway. And this gives the impression that the character is actually singing. Alright. So basically what we've done so far is this. So what we're gonna do is make the misses for our character. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the misses. So I'm gonna go make the left miss. We're only gonna do the left one for the day, to avoid making this video long. Because long tutorials, that's why we do these in parts. So left miss 1. I'm gonna turn his skin purple, just like in FNF Pumpkin. I'm also gonna turn the red shadowing, get a little darker. Alright, and then I'm gonna flip this and make this the same color. I'm gonna make this the same color. Alright. I'm gonna just go flip this vertically, and for left miss 2, we're just gonna duplicate. Alright, and now we're just gonna go ahead and make the left miss code. So for the left miss, we're gonna have to go grab if key. What's it for the left again? Oh, it's A. I don't use WAS that much, so I sometimes get confused. So it's A. So we're gonna click left miss 1 and left miss 2. Did I make it? Yeah, I did. And then left miss 1. Alright, so if we click A, he does the left pose and keeps happening. So now we got the left miss, and so far today we made a good game. Alright, so for the thumbnail, we're gonna go ahead and do all this. So to make the effect it has, where it does that, we're gonna have to go ahead and do all this code. So I'll leave it up here for a little bit, but I'll show you back at the end of the video but first we gotta get to what we're doing. So to make this work, we're gonna go ahead and we're actually gonna go ahead and go to the broadcaster, and we don't want it to broadcast start game. We do not want it to do that because my thumbnail is gonna be the thing that's broadcasting the start game. So the thing that's supposed to be broadcasting the start game, hey, get in there. The thing that's supposed to be broadcasting start game is this. So, and then we want to go when I receive start game. We want it to do a few things. We want to make sure it shows. We want to make sure it goes to front layer. We want to set color effect to 0. I'm also gonna add an Easter egg. When this sprite clicked forever, change color effect by 25. I'm also gonna grab a wait. My game's a little, and if your game's a little laggy, I'll show you how to fix it. I'm also gonna go ahead and do this. So there you go. And to make our game work, not laggy, we're gonna make a sprite and call this lag reducer. So now we added some stuff. So when green flag click, and when we click the sprite, it changes its color effect every time. So we added a little Easter egg where a character changes its costume forever. So it looks like kind of like a rainbow, but when we're doing our poses, it doesn't actually move. Anyway, so what we did today was make our character do the pose, and I make them 2 frames. And I hope you have a good day, and I guess this is a good bye for me. At least. Bye.